Let's solve the inequality and graph the solution set. Notice we're given a rational inequality, so in order to solve this, we need to put everything on one side of the inequality sign and 0 on the other. So we'll subtract 3 from both sides, and we have 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Next, we need to get a common denominator of x minus 3. So we have 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 minus 3, and we'll just multiply the numerator and denominator by x minus 3 to get a common denominator, is less than or equal to 0. Now we can write the left-hand side with one denominator, x minus 3, and we'll combine the numerator, 2x plus 1 minus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. Now we need to distribute, and we have 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 9 all over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. This simplifies to negative x plus 10 in the numerator over x minus 3 in the denominator is less than or equal to 0. Now we're actually ready to start the problem. We just prepared it right now. So we're really going to solve the inequality negative x plus 10 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. So we start with step 1. We need to find the boundary points. In this case, the boundary points are any numbers that make the numerator or the denominator equal to 0. So first, if we set the numerator equal to 0, negative x plus 10 is equal to 0, we get that 10 is equal to x, or simply x equals 10. If we set the denominator equal to 0, we get the value x is equal to 3. So in step 2, we need to go to a number line. On the number line, we'll put our boundary points. We have 3 and we have 10. We have 3 different intervals at which to look now. So in step 3, we'll choose a test value in each of the intervals, put that into our original function. So we have x equals, we can choose any number to the left of 3. Let's choose 0. If we substitute 0 into negative x plus 10 over x minus 3, we'll end up with 10 over negative 3, which is a negative number. If we substitute a value between 3 and 10, let's let x equal 4. If we substitute that into our inequality, we have negative 4 plus 10, or 6, over 4 minus 3, 1, which is a positive value. And let's move to the right of 10. Let's choose 11. If we substitute 11 in, we have negative 11 plus 10 in the numerator, which is negative 1, over 11 minus 3, 8 in the denominator, which is negative. Now, we're solving this rational inequality, negative x plus 10 over x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. So that means I'm really looking for negative values, or it can equal 0. So the negative values occur at the 2 outside intervals. So we need to actually graph our solution using this number line I have. We want values up to, and normally we would include 3 because we have a less than or equal to sign, but we're not going to in this case. It's kind of a special case. I'm not going to put a bracket. I'm actually going to put a parentheses because I cannot include 3 in my domain for this rational expression. So 3 cannot be included, otherwise the denominator would be 0. So I want numbers to the left of 3, not including 3, or the other place we have negative values are at 10 and to the right of 10. So there's my graph. How do I write this solution in interval notation? I write it as negative infinity up to, but not including 3, union 10 to positive infinity. And the last thing I want to do is write my answer in set builder notation. And I would write the set of all x such that x is less than 3 or x is greater than or equal to 10.